Cardi B wins big $3.9 million judgment against Tasha K. Finalized. In a significant development in the ongoing legal saga between Grammy-winning rapper Cardi B and YouTuber Tasha K, a plan for the payment of the $3.9 million defamation judgment against Tasha K has been finalized. This resolution brings a sense of closure to a highly publicized case that has captivated fans and the media alike for the past few years. Background of the case. The dispute traces back to 2019 when Cardi B, whose real name is Belcalis Marlenis Almanzar, filed a defamation lawsuit against Tasha K, better known as Tasha K, a YouTuber known for her celebrity gossip channel, Unwind with Tasha K. Cardi B's lawsuit cited a series of videos posted by Tasha K that included numerous false and malicious claims about the rapper. These accusations ranged from allegations of drug use and prostitution to claims about having sexually transmitted infections, all of which Cardi B vehemently denied. During the trial in January 2022, Cardi B testified that the false statements had caused her severe emotional distress, including anxiety and suicidal thoughts. The jury ultimately sided with the rapper, awarding her approximately $4 million in damages, covering $1.25 million in general damages, $1.5 million in punitive damages, and $1.3 million in legal fees. Tasha K's attempts to appeal the judgment were unsuccessful, solidifying the hefty financial verdict. Details of the payment plan. According to sources close to the situation, a payment plan has been agreed upon that outlines how Tasha K will satisfy the $3.9 million judgment. While specific terms of the payment schedule remain confidential, insiders suggest that the arrangement includes structured payments over an extended period, ensuring that Cardi B receives the full amount awarded by the court. Legal experts note that such structured payment plans are common in high-value judgments, especially when the debtor lacks sufficient liquid assets to make an immediate lump sum payment. Tasha K, who had previously made headlines for suggesting she didn't have the funds to pay the judgment, has not publicly commented on the finalized payment plan. However, earlier statements from her suggested that she was exploring all legal and financial options to comply with the court's ruling. Efforts to evade payment and legal repercussions. In the months following the judgment, Tasha K made various moves that raised eyebrows, including transferring assets and reportedly relocating funds to accounts outside of the United States. Cardi B's legal team responded swiftly, filing motions to investigate Tasha K's financial dealings and ensure compliance with the court's order. At one point, the rapper's legal team even sought to garnish Tasha K's YouTube earnings and other potential income streams to secure payment. Legal analysts emphasize that attempts to conceal assets or evade payment can lead to further legal complications, including contempt of court charges or even criminal liability. The finalization of the payment plan appears to signal a turn towards compliance on Tasha K's part, potentially avoiding these additional legal pitfalls. Impact on Tasha K's brand and career. The financial and reputational fallout from the case has been severe for Tasha K. The YouTuber's channel, which once boasted over 1 million subscribers, has reportedly seen a decline in viewership and advertising revenue. Additionally, the credibility of her brand has taken a substantial hit, with many questioning the ethics and reliability of her reporting. To address the financial strain, Tasha K has explored various revenue streams, including increased paid content, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding appeals to her followers. However, the significant financial burden of the $3.9 million judgment poses a long-term challenge to her ability to sustain her platform at its previous scale. Cardi B's response and moving forward. Cardi B, meanwhile, has remained relatively silent about the recent developments in the payment plan. In previous statements, she emphasized that her legal battle was about standing up against false information and protecting her reputation rather than the monetary award. For Cardi B, this legal victory not only clears her name but also serves as a powerful message about the consequences of defamation in the age of social media. Legal experts suggest that this case could set a precedent for future defamation lawsuits involving online content creators, highlighting the growing accountability for statements made on platforms like YouTube. As the payments begin, all eyes will be on how this resolution impacts both Cardi B's and Tasha K's next moves, both in and out of the courtroom. In closing, the finalization of the payment plan marks the end of a contentious chapter in the Cardi B vs. Tasha K saga, with broader implications for the intersection of celebrity, defamation law, and social media. Broader implications for social media and defamation law. The resolution of the Cardi B vs. Tasha K case underscores a growing trend of celebrities turning to the courts to combat online defamation. As social media platforms have evolved into powerful tools for both influence and misinformation, the legal system is increasingly called upon to address the spread of false information and its impact on personal and professional reputations. Legal experts argue that the outcome of this case could embolden other public figures to pursue similar legal actions against online content creators who cross the line from opinion into defamatory statements. The significant financial damages awarded to Cardi B serve as a stark warning about the potential consequences of spreading unverified and harmful information. This case may also encourage platforms like YouTube to revisit their policies on misinformation and defamatory content to mitigate liability risks. Financial reality for content creators. Tasha K's predicament also highlights the financial risks faced by independent content creators who engage in high-stakes gossip and exposés. With the rising threat of defamation lawsuits, content creators may need to rethink their approach to celebrity news and consider investing in legal advice or defamation insurance. The sheer size of the judgment, $3.9 million, is a reminder that content creators who lack the backing of major media organizations may be particularly vulnerable in defamation cases. Moreover, this case illustrates the potential for long-term financial ruin resulting from a single lawsuit. Even with a structured payment plan, Tasha K faces years, if not decades, of financial burden, which could severely limit her ability to grow her brand or recover from this setback. For aspiring influencers and YouTubers, the message is clear: the pursuit of views and virality must be balanced with a respect for accuracy and the legal risks of defamation. The role of apologies and accountability. One aspect notably absent from the saga has been a public apology from Tasha K that satisfies Cardi B or her supporters. While Tasha K has made some statements addressing the judgment, they have often been seen as defiant or dismissive rather than contrite. Experts in crisis management suggest that a sincere and public apology might have mitigated some of the reputational damage and possibly even influenced the terms of the settlement. In high-profile defamation cases, an apology can serve not just as a legal tool but also as a powerful means of restoring public trust. Cardi B's pursuit of this case appeared to be as much about accountability as financial compensation, emphasizing the importance of setting the record straight. Without a genuine expression of remorse from Tasha K, it remains to be seen how her audience will react in the long term. What's next for Cardi B and Tasha K? For Cardi B, this victory adds to her growing list of legal triumphs and solidifies her resolve to protect her brand. The rapper has been steadily expanding her career beyond music, with ventures in fashion, beauty, and even acting. Clearing her name in such a public and definitive manner could pave the way for new partnerships and business opportunities free from the shadow of the allegations made by Tasha K. Tasha K, on the other hand, faces a steep climb to rebuild her reputation and financial standing. Her options appear limited: either adhere strictly to the payment plan or risk further legal consequences, including asset seizures or additional financial penalties. Rehabilitating her brand may require a complete rebranding strategy, focusing on transparency, credibility, and a shift away from the controversial style that led to the lawsuit. Lessons learned: a warning to influencers. The finalization of the $3.9 million payment plan serves as a cautionary tale for influencers and social media personalities who operate without the safeguards typically employed by traditional media outlets. Fact-checking, sourcing, and legal vetting, often seen as obstacles in the race for content, have proven to be essential defenses against costly defamation suits. Moving forward, industry observers expect a shift in how influencers approach their content. Legal literacy for influencers may become a more prominent part of the landscape, with workshops, seminars, and legal consultants playing a bigger role in the social media ecosystem. In a world where a single video can reach millions within hours, the stakes for accuracy and accountability have never been higher. As the dust settles on the Cardi B vs. Tasha K case, it's clear that this judgment is more than just a victory for Cardi B. It's a pivotal moment for social media accountability and the future of influencer culture. Please subscribe to my channel for more entertainment gists.